enjoy. You can see how slimy it is. I got my meats right here. Water snails, shaki, and other assorted meats together at the same time. Add salt to taste. My chicken stock now goes in my Maggie cubes. Enough chili to your satisfaction. Garlic, I got my onion. Then add up some water. Add our blended chili and onion right into the pot. I like to add enough water because the water is going to form the stock I'll be using for the soup base. Add up some dried ingredients. Here I have my black pepper and here goes my thyme. Curry powder. Cover pot. Blending some of this. This is where we get our slime from. Add up some water. Then I'll blend it. See, this is what we want. I'll be blending my crayfish and my prawn. Well, properly blended. So now let's check. Added my casket, my dried fish. I'll add one Maggie cube. Cover and continue. Now checking our meats. Let's add in our shrimp. Oil. Enough oil. I'll then bring in my fish to cook along with it, my shrimps. Chicken flavor. 3 minutes later, I'll take out my fish. Also, I would like to take out the meat. So now our meat is out. Here goes it, our blended okra. So now we have our blended okra inside. Let's ram this together. This way you don't overcook your meat. This way you don't overcook your okra. This way everything is fresh. You see the texture, see how it is? We introduce back our meat. Let's change our pot to a bigger pot. Let's mix everything together. Here goes in our fish. Please be careful depending on the fish you're using. One last time. Our soup is ready. Turn off the heat and serve. I got my meat. Just enjoy. You can see how slimy it is. And today we'll be making okra soup. I'll be using my okra. I got my cow tail, assorted meats, and shaki, water snail. I have Kpomo. I have some fresh fish. I got some dried fish. I have my prawns. I have salt, Maggie cubes, and chicken flavor. Here I got my dried shrimp. I got my crayfish. So here is my chili, onion, and garlic. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Love you. And here's my palm oil. Okay. So